It. This is your part 1 video or revision video from exercise 11, that is linear equation in one variables. We already did this chapter. Just for your examination we do the revision one. Okay, the first question is related example, that is 7x plus 3 by 2 plus x by 3 minus 8 is equals to x minus 1. Find the value of x. Okay, find the value of x. So first of all, you're taking the LCM of this one, that is 6. 3 multiply 7x plus 3 plus 2 into x minus 6 8 ja 48 equals to x minus 1. So 21x plus 9 plus 2x minus 48 equals to this 6 multiply this one, that is 6x, that is 6x minus 6. 21x plus 2x minus 6x minus 6 plus 48 minus 9. Okay, so 21 to 23, 23 minus 6, that is 17x minus 6 plus 48 minus 42 plus 42, 42 and minus 9, that is 33 plus 33. So x equals to 33 by 17 is your answer. Okay, question number 3. For 2, suppose 45 less than 10 times a number is the number itself. Find the number. Very interesting question. You see, question is 45 less than 10 times a number. When you suppose a number be x, when you multiply by 10 and subtract by 45, it's again came the same number itself. Okay, that means let the number be x 10 times, that is 10x. 45 less than, subtract 45, the number come again itself x. So 10x plus x comes this side, that is minus x, minus 45 goes, that is plus 45. 9x equals to 45, x equals to 45 by 9, that is 5. So you see 5 into 10, that is 50. When 50 minus by 45, again came the 5. Okay, so answer is 5. Question number 5. Find the solution of the equation 5.6 equals to t by 10. So find the value of t. So we know that 5.6 equals to t by 10. That means 5.6 into 10 equals to t. So therefore t equals to 56. Okay. One more question. 5 years ago your age was x. What will be your age 10 years from now? Question is very simple. 5 years ago your age was x. 5 years ago your age was x, that means present age is x plus 5, because 5 years ago my age is x. So then after 5 years my age is x plus 5. What will be the age 10 years from now? So after 10 years x plus 5 plus 10, that is x plus 15 years. Okay. Now one more question. 1/5 a certain number decreased by 3 is equal to 1. The number is option A 15, option B 25, option C 20, option D 18. Again I repeat, 1/5 a certain number decreased by 3 is equals to 1. What is the number? So let the number be x. 1/5, that is 1/5 into x, decrease by 3 is equals to 1. Decrease by 3 is equals to 1. That means x upon 5 minus 3 equals to 1. So x upon 5 equals to 1, minus 3 going this side, that is plus 3. So x upon 5 equals to 4. Therefore x equals to 4 into 5, 20. 20 is the number. Okay. So 20 is the answer. Option C is the answer. Okay. One more question. Ram is 25 years younger than his father. After 10 years, their ages will be in the ratio 1:2. Their present ages are option A 15 years, 40 years, 10 years, 30 years, 25 years, 45 years, 5 years, 30 years. Okay. Ram is 25 years younger than his father. So let present age of his father be x years. Okay. Ram is 25 younger. That means Ram age equals to x minus 25 years. After 10 years. After 10 years. Father age equals to x plus 10 years. Ram age, because after 10 years we know that 10 getting plus in our years, so x minus 25 plus 10 equals to x minus 15 years. Okay. So after 10 years their ages will be in the ratio 1:2. That means the ratio is 1:2. Ram is younger than his father, so Ram and his father age are in the ratio 1/2, 1:2. Okay, 1:2. So Ram age is x minus 15 and father age is x plus 10 equals to 1/2. Again I repeat, let the present age of his father is x years. Ram is 25 year younger, chota, x minus 25. Father age after 10 years, father getting plus 10 years, and Ram also getting plus 10 years. When you solve this, we get x minus 5. So the Ram age and the father age, the ratio between them is 1:2. So Ram age is x minus 15 and Ram father is x plus 10. So now time for the cross multiplication, that is 2 multiply x minus 15 equals to 1 multiply x plus 10. So 2x minus 30, that is x plus 10. So 2x minus x equals to 10 plus 30. Therefore x equals to 40. That means that his father age is 40 years. The present age of father is, father age, we take father age is x, that means 40 years, and the Ram age is x minus 25, that is 40 minus 25 is 15 years. So the option is 15 and 40, this one. Okay, note. One more question. The sum of two number is 112 and their differences is 162. Find the numbers. What the question? The sum of two number is 112. Okay, when you adding two number you get 112, but when you minus get two number is 162. That means differentials. So let two number be x and y. So sum means add, that is x plus y equals to 112. This is our equation 1, and the differences. So x minus y equals to 162. This is our equation 2. Okay, solving equation 1 and equation 2, we get x plus y equals to 112 and x minus y equals to 162, plus minus minus 2x equals to 472. Therefore x equals to 274 by 2 is 137. Okay, so we get the value of x. Now putting the value of x in equation 1. Equation 1 is x plus y equals to 112. So x is 137 plus y equals to 112. So y equals to 112 minus 137, that is minus 25. So we see the first number is plus 137 and the another is minus 25. Okay, when you add this you get 112, when you subtract it you get 162. Okay, note. I hope this revision is helpful for your examination. One more question. The denominator of a fraction is 3 more than its numerator if 2 is added to each numerator and denominator, the fraction becomes 2/3. Find fraction. Again I repeat, the denominator of a fraction is 3 more than its numerator. So let numerator be x and denominator is 3 more than, that means denominator equals to 3 more, x plus 3. So the fraction looking like this. Okay, if 2 is added to each one, numerator and denominator, the fraction becomes 2 by 3. So x plus 2 by x plus 5 equals to 2 by 3. When you cross multiply, that means 3 multiply x plus 2 and 2 multiply x plus 5. So 3x plus 6 or 2x plus 10. So 3x minus 2x, 10 minus 6, x equals to 10 minus 6 is 4. So the numerator is 4 and denominator is 4 plus 3, that is 4 by 7. Okay, note.